Here we are on Monday, December 23rd, reviewing the charts. So Bitcoin is just holding on from this head and shoulders pattern I'm kind of looking at right now, getting support on this 50 moving average. So we're hoping that this neckline holds off here and we get support and head back up. The S&P, an inside bar from Friday. We are looking for a lower high than 607.03, and we've made enough room for a daily higher. Oh, yeah, I guess we have made enough room for a daily higher low than 580. But yeah, ideally we see more upside before it tops out, and it's also catching support at the 50 moving average right here. The NASDAQ is an inside bar from Friday as well, also catching support from the 50 moving average. Yeah, I mean, no trends have been changed from long-term perspective, so we're just looking to see where this tops out, and hopefully we just trade sideways as well. The Russell is the weakest out of all the indices. It is trading below its November 19th low. It's trading below the 50 moving average, just above the daily 200. So yeah, it's definitely the weakest of all of them. We are a daily inside bar from Friday, and we'll see where this trades out. But yeah, low volume. We're in the holidays, so it can be expected. And the Dow is a little bit stronger than the Russell. Once again, still underneath the 50 moving average, but it's trading slightly above the November 19th low. Still weaker than the S&P and NASDAQ. VIX just completely melting down, which is a good sign. So we'll see where that daily higher low comes from. Then what is this? Then 1324. AVGO, the Nancy Pelosi special. We're still maintaining that gap. We are in all-time highs, or sorry, not in all-time highs. We are heading back to the all-time high. I would expect a lower high than 251.21, but we've made enough room to make a higher low once this tops out. So the ADMA is the guide at this point, and we'll see where this goes. See if we can get more continuation, because that was a pretty short, shallow pullback on this big move in the grand scheme of things, and quite a bit of volume on Friday. That's I would almost expect some continuation now at this point. Snow, it's just coming down from its 52-week highs. We are looking down for that gap fill territory. So we need it to hold on here, or we're going to start flushing down. We could start flushing down fairly quickly towards the 50 moving average, daily 50 moving average. I would be interested to play a bounce off this. But yeah, we hold here and head back up. That's quite a big gap to leave behind, though. So it's hard to say if that'll continue. Google found a daily higher low off of, this is the previous all-time high, 192.84. Found a daily higher low, now looking back up towards the all-time high. So looking strong. Google and Tesla is up there too. Tesla still looking for its daily higher low, hasn't headed back up, but right now we literally bounced up 1 penny off the previous all-time high. So if we start heading back up, that is a good sign, and I am interested in continuation here. Apple just new all-time high today, steady, just heading back up and grinding. So we got a new daily higher low to set as a stop, and we'll just see where this takes us from there. Blue sky breakout. Palantir, also a new all-time high today, but a bit of a pause candle at the same time. So we'll see if we get continuation. Raise the stop to 71.50, and this is a name that I have a feeling will go well past 100. There's just so much momentum in this, and I have a feeling it's going to go 2,000% from the lows. So that's around the 125 area. Micro strategy. Okay, so we're just holding on here. We're a daily inside bar from Friday, but we're not out of the woods here. Might be catching support here on the daily 50 EMA, but we still have this gap down below that we have to worry about. So it is a daily inside bar, and we're hoping to see it break bull. But yeah, Bitcoin will dictate what happens with this chart too. So NVDA. So I was looking at this head and shoulders pattern, and it broke bear and did not see follow through, heading right back up. So we look on the monthly time frame to see if it's just putting in a monthly higher low and heading right back up. Kind of a fake out head and shoulders, heading right back up. So looks good. Putting the bears on defense now. Closing at the highs. Yeah, we're definitely looking towards, well, we're expecting a lower high to come than 146, but we've definitely made enough room to make a higher low than 126.86. So good bull momentum now. And IONQ coming from the all-time high, and a bit of a pause day, but it's straight selling all day. So still an inside bar. We could open up mid-range or something tomorrow, so keep that on watch. The break of that candle, we're still just looking for a daily higher low than 36.54. So we're still looking good. This is a blue sky name, so it's got lots of momentum behind it. But this is way overvaluated. Like you look at 12 million revenue, that's absolutely nothing. So our market cap doesn't match our revenue. So when this ends, it will end fast and hard. So play the momentum, but play your stops as well. Make sure to have stops. And Reddit's still in a daily equilibrium now. So tightening up, looking for a lower high than 108.36. And we may have made enough room for a higher low than 157.22. So that is just tightening up, but looks good overall, and we are still all-time high run. And that's it for the charts today. Thank you.